Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you guys a simple trick on how to watch video like this and do other things on your device. This process is called picture in picture on YouTube, and the process is very simple. Everybody on Windows PC can do this in less than 30 seconds. Guys, you are good to go. So let's dive in this process. So here is a video I want to use for this. Don't forget that I have my work here that I'm working on, but I want to watch that particular video while working on this project. It's very simple. While the video is working, just locate and click anywhere on the video like this. Right click first time, right click second time, then you see someone that says picture in picture. Click on this button. It brings picture in picture, then close this window. Now you can see that while you are doing this, then your video is playing and you are doing whatever thing you are doing. You can see, guys, this is very simple and amazing. And that's all, guys, on how to enable picture in picture mode on YouTube on your Windows PC. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.